What's up everyone, welcome to the channel. Thank you for dropping by and thank you for watching. Nolasco here, and this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff. And today is another unboxing day, the one that I got from the shock drop of the Nike Jordan Retro 3. And let's move on to the unboxing. And there we go. All right. Boom. So it's not just the basic familiar Jordan box, and as you can see, something red and something the gray cement, and we are looking into the Air Jordan 3 Retro SE or special edition. We got the colorway is the fire red gray, and we got 10.5. Yep, kind of different, right? Usually the Jordans are the black and just the gray cement on the back and down here, and the top cover is way different. But anyway, the Jumpman on the top of the cover. So let's take them out. Boom. So as you can see, the packaging, paper packaging is way different, and also printed out Unite with the Jumpman. You can see clear right there. Okay. Boom. Oh. Nice. Okay, let's take out the other one. Okay. And we got some extra laces with red and white. What you think on this one, huh? What we know about this Jordan 3 SE, Jordan 3 Retro SE Special Edition is they already did a shock drop on this one, and also they will release, the actual release will be on the All-Star Weekend on Chicago. This one is different with the the limited ones, because this one also have just the Nike Air on the back, but the other one, which is limited is the one that has some kind of chai or chi written on the side and the back of the heel. But according to some, it's just the same silhouette, design and everything, except for the chai in the back for the limited one. So let's take a closer look on the one. So as I mentioned, we have extra laces right here. You might try to use the white ones. It looks nicer when using the white ones. But we got the gray tongue with the Jumpman on the top. The leather, it's kind of not that soft, and it's kind of rough. Let's take that out. Let's see. Yeah, it's not that soft. I had me some of the Jordan 3 chlorophyll, which is it's much better for me. I mean, what the soft leather, I would say. But anyway, we got the black eyelets, and also the red leather all the way from the toe box and on the medial side and the lateral side, with the gray cement on the heels and the Nike, just the basic sole. Other than that, the thing is not the limited release. But anyway, and also this one, it is different. The toe box and the side, and this lateral side, each different leather. I would say it is nice premium, because some of those Jordan 3s is not just like that really premium, I would say. It feels like inside it's not too much, that much cushioning. Hold a second. Let me compare this one with the Jordan 3 Tinker swoosh. Okay, so comparing to this one, the Tinker 3 hot filled, also they have a different leather, and I was thinking it's just almost somewhat the same with the leather that they put in here on this side, but this one is smoother. Top is kind of rough. I'm not sure what kind of leather is that, but this one is also different. It's kind of suede, and the top one is also different. But anyway, not much going on the Tinker. The Unite collection, which is they will release, as I said, they were gonna release it on All-Star Weekend. This is one of those. Let's say I'm gonna flip this one. I already got me Jordan 3s right here. I haven't used I haven't undead stock them yet. I would say if it's the black one, it should been sold out, but it sold out immediately when they did the shock drop anyway. But I'm not really sure if they will sold out when they will release it on the All-Star Weekend. So what do you think on this one? Would you like this one? The red, all red, not kind of all red though. So with gray cement on the heel side, and also on the lining somewhere here on the toe box. Huh? I would love to hear though if you cop them and if you like them. Well, I'm not that excited to have them in hand. I'm not sure. It's kind of all premium leather, but anyway, but it's not that exciting to me. But anyway, your thoughts is way different, so I would love to hear them. And the leather thing, the Jordan. So my thought also is limited release will be the one that have some kind of shy here. I would say it's it's just the sneakerhead thing or being hype. Don't have to get those with the one that you have to pay for triple the money to have those shy on the back right here. The thing is they are just the same with this one, so you might gonna have this one retail on the Nike.com or the Nike sneakers app on the time of they drop it the weekend, All-Star Weekend. But my thought, for me, I don't have to break the bank to get the shy, and all of the shoe are just the same except for the one that written in the back shy. It's just kind of lazy thing for me to have that that mentality to have the hype beast with the shy comparing to this one. It's not I would say if it has some kind of the limited ones could have been some kind of written here or numbering on this side or anywhere. I would say that will eventually raise up the price, but for the that's written shy, it's not for me. I would say that's for me. But anyway, I would say same product that they use and everything except for the shy for limited ones, and you can have the almost just the same, almost just the same silhouette, color, and everything except for the one on the back. But anyway, I hope you like this video. Please leave a comment down below and subscribe if you haven't, and click the notification bell so you'll be notified for the next upcoming video. As always, Nolasco here. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.